So Luna Classic has soared to a 3-month high post USTCs. That's their old stablecoins rise. Right now, it is a clean sweep across the board. You've got USTC, LUNC, and Luna leading the way. Check this out, guys. Make sure you guys smash that like button down below as well. In this video, we're going to talk about what's going on here with the trio of USTC, Luna Classic, and Luna, but we're going to look at it from the charts and that perspective. We're going to analyze the charts a little bit, look at it a little bit more macro. Of course, as I just mentioned, Luna Classic hitting a 3-month high. We are up 54% in the last 7 days, 33% just in the last 24 hours. The new Terra Luna is back in the top 100 as well, sitting at 84 cents. A lot of people calling for a $3 price target there with Terra Luna, just based on some of the technicals. But as you guys know, we're more concerned with the old Terra Luna Classic because the upside potential here is just crazy, right? Right now, we're sitting at a $688 million market cap. The volume has ramped up significantly, $740 million in volume just in the last 24 hours. And we take a look at Terra Classic USD, that stablecoin. It's actually ranked number 79 right now. Guys, check this out. 24 hours alone, up almost 250%. Last 7 days, 435%. We've just crossed over 7 cents there. As you guys can see, we were back down here just 2 days ago at a penny. So shout out to the entire USTC community and anybody who's holding on to any three of these right now or bought down below there are experiencing some really nice gains. Now, as mentioned, I want to get into LUNC in particular here and talk about it. So this is the daily chart right here that we're watching. And what we're seeing here is a move over the last 67 days. And there's a reason why I highlighted this, because that little indicator right there flashed momentum up. That is my trading indicator that I use to trade crypto and stocks. And not only trade, I use it to get the best entry points for long-term investments, right? So if you were watching Luna Classic and you had my tool, which is XT Algo, you would have known 67 days ago that, hey, there's a really good chance Luna Classic's going to go on a tear here. And that's exactly what it did. So if you guys are interested in checking this out, we're running a 21% off lifetime discount code right now. All the links are down below in the description. And listen, you could try it for 30 days. If you don't like it, my team will fully refund you. But I am fully confident that you're going to absolutely love it. All it takes is one successful trade per month to pay for this subscription. Guys, I had this built by the best of the best. 85% of traders use some type of trading indicator. Highly encourage you guys to at least check it out, give it a look. If you don't like mine, use somebody else's out there, but I have one that's really affordable when it comes to the competitors out there as well, so I'll leave that down below. Now, we're looking at the yearly outlook here. If we zoom out a little bit, and we can see we've been trending down basically all of 2023. Here's the start of this year. Okay, we were up here in the 15 zone. And we came all the way down to the 5s, okay? And now, all of a sudden, we've more than doubled since mid-October. And these last few green candlesticks here, these last 2 days have been huge. We did have a little bit of a pop in early November, but then we gave it all back. Right now, we're seeing if we can sustain these levels and get above into the 12s here. We did consolidate back in March in the 12 range. And then, of course, our next target is to break the ones here and get back to the 302 level. That would be huge. That would get us back to where we were at the beginning of the year. And if we go into the hour by hour, we get a little better picture here of what's happening and just how big this breakout was. Because, again, we came up on a line right here that, we weren't so sure we could break. Okay, it was basically right in here, this 9-7 range. Once we broke free from that, okay, we tested it, we broke it, came back down, tested around that line again, and then took off. And right now, consolidating here in the hour, that was a big breakthrough there. When we broke that zero, we haven't seen that in a really, really long time. Hell, we got to go all the way back, I think, into February, right? February, March. Let's zoom back out here. Yeah, we got to go all the way back to, basically June. Okay. So, yeah, we did pop up there in June just momentarily. But that's still, we got to go all the way back to beginning of summer to where we were there. So In terms of where we could go here, anytime we have these type of cryptos like Luna Classic, community driven, it's so hard to project. It's so hard to predict, right? Because you kind of throw a lot of things out the window when it comes to the technicals. And a lot of this is driven by community engagement, by FOMO, by any type of news and information that come out. So if we go over to X here and we just take a look at what's going on, what people are talking about over here. Here's 2-Bit Crypto. Basically, everybody's just excited with the price action. There's nothing really in particular that's driving this other than the community itself, right? So if we did get some type of catalyst in addition to this, this would definitely help us out. But it says here, if we look at some of the latest posts, a lot of people just super excited. Yeah, and this is what I mean. There's really nothing driving this narrative. There's nothing really driving the price action. Just, I think it's basically community driven. We're seeing some community tokens launch. We saw Grok really take off, and I think you're seeing the Luna Classic community come together. And there are people saying, there's going to be some burn plans coming. Here's Levi saying that. He's going to be announcing the 99.9% burn plan this week, so we'll see what he has to say about that. But in addition to that, we'll see if there's anything else that kind of pops up. But right now, it's just community driven. And, once you have, price discovery in any asset, look out, right? And that's what you're seeing right now with Luna Classic. You're breaking through some strong resistance levels, and you got room to run to the upside. The big question here is, can we hold the line, okay? Can we start to consolidate up here, above here in these 11, 12 range? I'd love to get up here into the 12s like we did back in March, pretty much all of March and April, and we just consolidated sideways. I'd like to get back up there and, get boring for a little while. I'm cool with that because, the faster you go up, obviously the faster you have to come back down. So you want to see kind of a slow and steady grow after this big pop. We'll be tracking it, though, for you guys here on the Luna Classic chart. And it's great to see an 88% move to the upside here in the last month for Luna Classic. Let me know what you guys think about all this down below, and give me your thoughts. Why do you think Luna Classic is exploding right now? Can't wait to hear from you down below. We'll see you.